this tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to create this logo markup effect. First thing, select your width, set it to 152, your height to 648 on pixel, your foreground color to black. Select your text tool and type OTD. Font type Unison. Hold Ctrl T. Next, select the ellipse tool and create a circle around this. Hold Ctrl T to adjust your circle color. None. Select the stroke color to white. Size of your stroke color, set it to around 24 pixel. Then adjust. That way. Next, create a new layer. Select the rectangle tool. Create a shape just like this. Select Ctrl T to adjust. Set your color to white. Hold Alt and drag. Ctrl T to adjust. Hold Alt key and drag. Hold the Alt key on this panel and make another copy. You can always select Ctrl T to adjust if need be. Then make another copy of this. Hold your Ctrl T and adjust this just this way. Press enter, then duplicate this again. Just like that. The next thing we need to do is to create a bridge between the text D and O, just as we have in the logo, by creating a negative space. All you have to do is to select your text and rasterize layer. You have two ways to this. I'm going to show you the two ways, but let's start with the first one and also rasterize this layer. Create a selection on this rectangle shape by holding Ctrl and click on this. Then convert to Smart Object. Hold and drag to the delete panel. Then select the ellipse tool. Click on the delete key on your keyboard. Apply same thing to your text tool. And click on Ctrl D. That is one of the easiest way to create adjustment to your text and shape, just like that. The second way around is to create a layer mask. to both the text and the ellipse tool. I'll be applying that on the fifth rectangle. First thing, select the layer mask of the ellipse tool, move to your fifth rectangle, right click on it and rasterize layer. Move to your ellipse tool, click on the layer mask and hold Ctrl and click on this. Then select your brush tool and erase just like this. Move to your text tool and click on the layer mask and repeat same step. Then hold and drag your fifth rectangle to the delete panel and select Ctrl D. So those are the two ways to create adjustments in a non-destructive way. For better adjustment, select your text layer, select the FX and click on color overlay. Make sure it's white by selecting this and click OK. Now to the final step, click on the top layer just to make sure you are at the top and open your file, then hold and drag or click on file, place embedded, then you place your image. Then adjust this by holding Ctrl T. Make sure your image is above the text and the circle. Then duplicate layer by pressing Ctrl J on your keyboard. Then add stroke about 2 pixels. Okay. You can see some imperfection in this image. Just before we add the final step, rasterize layer, select your eraser tool and erase this. Now convert to smart object. Hold Ctrl and select the negative space. Hold and drag to the delete panel. Then select the ellipse tool. Click on delete on your keyboard. Same thing to your text tool. Delete. And you have just that. There's still some imperfection to this. So to correct that, select your cloth and rasterize layer, select the eraser tool and just like this, and you are good to go. To add the FX effect, open your mockup, double click on this, and right here you might decide to export your image as PNG and come right here, file, place embedded, and you have it right there. Or you click on shift and select this, all this, and drag to the next layer panel. But as for me, I will just hide the layer visibility of this and select the top panel. Hold Alt Shift and Ctrl E to make a new layer. Hold and drag to the new panel and click on Ctrl T to adjust the size of this. just like that. Click on enter, hide this layer visibility, then click on Ctrl S, and you have your mockup all set. Check the description below for the link to this mockup. Click on this, double click on it, and right here I will only select the top layer and hold Alt Shift Ctrl E to merge all into a new layer. Then I will drag a layer down here. After doing that, click on Ctrl T and adjust the shape, the logo size, and enter. Disable this and click on Ctrl S, and you have your logo all set. You can decide to add text and whatever adjustment you feel like. You might decide to off the reflection, and you have it this way. Boom. So same way to all layer type that you want to create. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next tutorial video. Remember to like, share, and subscribe.